sales consultant. And I just have a question for you. Who is sleeping in poop? And I don't just mean like, poopy diaper or something like that. I mean like dust mite poop, maybe, in your mattress, and you're sleeping on that every night. That's disgusting. So we have Mattress Cleaner, and this mattress cleaner is not just for mattresses. It is completely biodegradable and enzyme-based formula. So all of these little enzymes love eating proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of what bacteria love to feed on. So everything feeds off of proteins. So if you've got bacteria in your mattress, those dust mites, they're after those proteins. This enzyme-based formula is going to break all of that down and keep that from happening, kill all of that bacteria and those dust mites, basically removes organic material from your mattresses, your pillows, your bedding. You can use it on like bedspreads and comforters that are too big or you don't want to launder. You can use it on stuffed toys, fabric furniture. So let me just show you how this works. You're going to shake up the bottle. You want to open the little nozzle. This is a foaming spray nozzle, but you often won't need this. So you want it to just spray directly. You're going to open that up, and you're just going to run around the house and start spraying. So I'm going to start with... Do you also suffer from terrible allergies? This is going to help you out. You may want to use it more than once a month on your bedding, but it's going to get rid of that dust and those dust mites that are down in your mattresses and really prevent all of that sneezing, stuffy nose. Take it with you when you travel, spray down all that bedding that you sleep on. This is an awesome product.